everyone, my name is Leah.
My name is Andrej.
And today we're going to talk to you about moving in and living on a college campus. We're going to have a blast.
Oh my god, boom, boom. Wow. And I had no earth. Do it again.
No earth.
Welcome back. Today we are in our friend Hannah's room and we're going to talk about moving day and living on campus and meeting your roommate and all those exciting things.
So when you move in, we suggest getting here as early as you can in the morning.
The heat is real, I'm telling you.
So get in while it's still cool, and then you'll go to your designated residential hall, which you've already been assigned, and look for your RAs, who will be posted somewhere in the lobby of your residential hall, and they'll be there to help you.
Yeah, peer mentors will also be everywhere on campus. They're going to help you with moving in, with finding your building, whatever it is.
Yeah, they're also really helpful for when you need to get a mini fridge up the stairs.
And don't worry, don't be scared approaching them. That's really all they do that entire day.
This is also the day that you get to meet your roommate. You most likely haven't met them yet.
Very exciting time.
That is super exciting, yes.
And then also another cool thing with your roommate is that at some point that week, I think, a few days later, you sit down with them, with your RA as well, and you just go over a few rules that you set for yourself.
Yep.
So other people, they like to listen to music a little bit later than others. They want to study at different times. So it's just an opportunity for you to kind of make those rules for yourself.
Yeah, and that's called your roommate agreement, and it's nothing super serious. It's just to make your living situation as comfortable as possible for the both of you.
And then also, let's talk about moving into the room, what to get. With your roommate, think about maybe sharing a few things. You don't need to buy 2 fridges.
Don't.
Maybe just buy one and share it.
Someone can bring the fridge, someone can bring the coffee machine or the microwave or something.
Yeah. Or rug. Rugs are great.
Rugs are great.
There are a few key things in a room that change it all. Rugs, lighting, not lightning. I always confuse those. Rugs, lighting, and lights. No.
Lights, lighting, and light sources.
Okay, first of all, I think plants, lights, and a rug. I'm telling you, a rug makes a difference.
It does. I also hate getting out of bed in the morning and my feet touch the cold floor, so get a rug.
Yeah.
And wall decor, because this is going to be where you're spending a ton of time. This is where you go home at the end of the day.
Yeah.
So you want it to really reflect your personality and be somewhere that you're comfortable and that you want to return to.
Bring postcards, pictures of your friends.
So you do have the option to loft your bed, which is where you basically stack your bed frame on top of another bed frame. It sounds very dangerous, but it's safe. There's a stability bar. Also, a lot of people feel a need to bring a printer when they come to college because you're going to be typing a lot of things out, printing out your assignments.
But
you don't need one.
You
don't bring it.
No.
I mean, if you're really set on it, it's totally cool. You can bring one. But there's so many printers on campus that are really easy to get to, and you have an allotted amount of spending money on the printer.
I don't think you'll ever run out.
No, it's more than
I've never run out. And also, you have online printing, so if you're on campus, you can upload them, and you just have to go to the machine, swipe your card.
Any printer on campus, it'll work.
Any print, yeah.
Yeah. Also, in your residential hall, you'll be living most likely near the people in your RCC, but in general, you'll be spending a ton of time with these people, and it's a great opportunity to make new friends and kind of hang out with people, because everybody wants to be friends with the people that they live around.
And they also have events at the halls themselves, so maybe they have a pancake night, I don't know, something. Go to those things, it's fun, make friends.
So we hope that this helped you guys be even more excited about move-in day than you probably already are. Make sure you reach out to your roommates since you have those assignments now. It's really great to start a little bit of a friendship as soon as you can.
Yep.
And we'll see you next week.
See you next week.